Take advantage of the versions feature in Rollbar to see which code versions are throwing exceptions. This allows you to spot and prioritize errors in your production code as they appear. In order to get the full value of this feature, you will need to integrate Rollbar with your version control software and configure deploy tracking as well. The versions feature is available to our advanced and enterprise plan customers as a useful addition to deploy tracking. This feature is especially useful if you are deploying continuously or if you have multiple code versions in production. With versions and deploy tracking working together, you will be able to see all of the code changes deployed in each version and see if those changes have caused any errors. Additionally, you can mark a Rollbar item as resolved in a specific version through the web application, as well as use commit messages to automatically resolve items when the commit is deployed. The Versions menu is anchored to the left margin of the Rollbar UI. From the splash page, you can see item statistics at a glance. New items are those that had their first occurrence in the version. Reactivated items were previously resolved but have reoccurred in the version. Resolved items are those that were marked as resolved in the version by a Rollbar user. The version drill-down menu allows you to see the item occurrences linked to the revision. You can use the links in this menu to navigate to the specific items associated with this version. In addition to providing visibility between code revisions and item occurrences, you can also resolve items in a specific version or via commit messages. Resolving through commits saves you the time of manually resolving items in the Rollbar UI since it is handled by source control once the commit is deployed. Resolving in a specific version will prevent the item from triggering in older code versions. This is especially useful when there are multiple versions of code running in production. Visit our documentation on the versions feature to learn more about how to effectively use it in your development process.